Hello and Namaste viewers. Welcome back to Alpa Active Learning. Today we are going to continue with part 2 Health and Disease. So in part 2 we are going to learn about non-infective. Now these are the diseases which do not occur through infections and body contact, but this disease occurs due to certain reasons. They are cancer, heart disease and diabetes. A cancer is a disease that spreads nowadays in any part of the body. It can be to the nervous system, to the heart, to the stomach, intestine, liver, lungs and also in blood also. As you can see here, in of tongue, mouth, jaws and teeth also. So what is cancer actually? The cancer is nothing but a malignant tumor. Now this happens because there is an uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth takes place. There are various reasons of cancer. The symptom is there is a chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammations, lumps in the breast in case of women, and unexplained weight loss. Now, you may have unfortunately, certain cancers can be detected at very first stage, certain at the last stage. So the survival of the cancer depend upon at which stage you have diagnosed, and depending upon that your cancer treatment starts. Certain cancers can be removed easily with the help of surgery. In certain there is a radiation therapy, there is a chemotherapy, there may be the hormone therapy. Targeted therapy depends upon the infected area, or I would say the whether malignant cancer tumor is there, and certain times stem cell therapy also is used. The second is diabetes. Today's maximum people of any age group are suffering from this disorder, diabetes. Now the hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. As a result, the glucose in the blood increases. This disorder is called diabetes. Again, diabetes are also of two types, type A and type B. So the person having diabetes may have blurry eyesight, feeling hungry, sudden weight loss, feeling thirsty, and frequent urination. See, prevention is much better than the treatment because diabetes is a silent killer. So the first is, if you come to know that you have diabetes, you have to start medication, and the medication should not be stopped anywhere. Visit doctor regularly, regular diagnostic, exercise is must, healthy diet, the diet which don't have too much sugar like starchy foods, potato, rice, sweet, ice cream, they should be avoided. No smoking. Many a times insulin injections are given for those who have diabetes more than 300. Alcohol should not be consumed. There should be a control on your food, on your diet, and you should keep check on your weight. Remember, 14th November is recognized as World Diabetes Day to spread the awareness. The third is the heart disease. We all know that our heart is just in one fist, but it is this heart on which many poems are written. So many literature work is done on this. But remember, this is the heart which also get affected with heart attack or heart failure. These are the disorder. What happened? There is a severe chest pains, pain in the shoulder, neck and arms, cramp in the hand, uneasiness and tremors. So why a person suffers from heart attack? It may be smoking, alcoholism. A diabetic patient is more prone to heart attack. Hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, hereditary, mental stress, anger and anxiety. In short, anything, even if you are not physically fit, mentally fit, you are more susceptible to the heart. So, what are the treatment of this? You may have to go for angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplantations, installation of stent and installation of pacemaker. But remember, the first aid is as soon as you come to know that the person is suffering from the heart disease, you should call 108 ambulance. Check the consciousness of the patient by shaking the shoulder. Keep the patient lying in the back in the horizontal position on the hard surface and perform compression only life support. And the first thing is immediately call doctor. Remember, 29th September is a World Heart Day. Now, coming to generic medicines. What are generic medicines? They are known as general medicines. So they are not so different. They are same as what we get it in the market. But they are not the branded one. They are without any patent. But that is why they are very cheap. The cost of this medicine is very low as compared to the branded one, because they don't undergo any research. They just used the formulated which is existing and made the other combinations, but in the result they are same with the branded one. Government of India has declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015, and where he has given the permission for generic medicines. Because of generic medicines, the cost of your medication is reduced, and even the poor people get all the types of medicines for any kind of disease. Children, major diseases are there because of our present day-to-day lifestyle. So, to avoid this and to be healthy, no smoking, no alcohol, daily exercise, washing our fruits and vegetables very well, cleaning our hand after every 2 to 3 or whenever you eat anything. If you are eating any non-veg also, see that it is thoroughly cleaned. Your food should be stored properly, covered properly, and as far as possible, eat alkaline food and not the acidic one. Whatever the food you are eating, if the pH is normal, it is very good. And try to eat the food which has pH more than 7, that is an alkaline food, to avoid any kind of disorder. Remember, your life is very precious and you can manage it with healthy lifestyle. So for that, have sufficient sleep of 6 to 8 hours, right food at right time, do yogasana, pranayam, physical exercise, and have positive thoughts, and then your health becomes really your wealth. Thank you so much, children.